We've been seeing it online, so I was like, no, we have to come past and see. Alright guys, so we are back in our apartment after our
little fishing adventure thing.
Yeah, we did a fishing adventure at the Blue Lagoon this morning. While we were on that side of town, we decided to check out Ratio Cafe.
Going very viral.
We've been seeing these things going viral on TikTok. We thought, hey, why not, while we're here, why don't we try this? We've got the viral strawberry Dubai cup.
Yeah,
Paratha
smash burger,
yes. And this is the beef version. It actually looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Can you take a guess what's the price of these items? Oh, and we got a chai.
Not chai tea.
A chai, yes.
15, 20 rand.
The chai was 12 rand. Yeah. Okay. So we decided to try it. How much do you think the Dubai
This I feel like could be around 20 to 35 rand.
Are you serious?
Yes. You're gonna say it's like 20 rand.
Bruh. All right. Oh, how much do you think the burger was?
I feel like that would be 30, 40 rand.
Burgers are you eating that's 30, 40 rand? Even McDonald's doesn't have 30, 40 rand.
Yeah,
burgers.
because
in a restaurant, a burger is like 150 bucks.
Okay, by that logic, it would be 120 rand.
That's a very good guess, because that was 120 bucks. So how much do you think the Dubai strawberry cup was?
50, 60 rand.
Guys, this cup was 160 rand.
It's more expensive than the burger.
It's more expensive than the burger.
That's
also what we're judging it on, is not only the taste and the quality of the ingredients, but the price also. 12 bucks, I think. Yeah. I don't think you like chai, so I don't think you're going to try it.
I'll just take a sip.
It's not sweet at all. It's not sweetened chai.
Bruh. It's like...
It's like spicy.
Bitter.
It's spicy, like, and
Yeah, it just needs to be sweetened.
12 bucks, you can't complain, right? So that's what the burger looks like. There's a beef patty in the middle here, cheese, some caramelized onions, some jalapenos. It's a sauce. It's like the juices are just flowing out.
That's incredible.
That's incredible. Okay, let me try it. Oh, it's spicy.
Yeah, the beef was very nice.
I think it's the jalapenos.
This thing is also very nice. The paratha.
The bread.
Yeah.
What do you think of the viral paratha smash burger?
Yeah, that was very tasty.
I have to say that it is very, very, very tasty. Incredible, right? It's all working in there to give you like a really tasty meal.
And its jalapenos also make it very nice.
In the back of my throat a little bit. So would you have that again?
Yes, I definitely have it again.
Definitely.
100%.
100%. Speaking of 100%, do you think it's worth 120 rand based on the taste now?
Yeah.
So it is very high quality. The flavors are really, really good. The paratha is chewy and doughy, but in the nicest possible way.
Probably 4.5 out of 5.
4.5 out of 5. Yeah, I think so. Give it a 4.5 out of 5. I think it is, like Troy said, it is a little bit messy. There's like juices everywhere, whatever. It's a bit hard to eat. I think it's worth every bite, and the taste makes up for it. Sihin and Son approved. 4.5 out of 5, guys.
Yeah. Strawberry Dubai cup.
Strawberry Dubai cup.
With the singular strawberry. Oh no,
yeah, there's like bits of strawberry inside. Obviously that sort of pistachio, cream, chocolate. Yeah, I don't know, does it have like I think it's called kanafe stuff in it also.
Yeah, maybe.
Which is that like textured, crunchy stuff. Should I go first?
Yeah, I had the first bite of the thing, so you go first.
It's not very big also.
Yeah, 160 rand.
Yeah, crunchy bits I'm going through here. That must be the pistachio kanafe thing. There goes. Cheers. The crunch, very, very rich.
It's a big bite. Very nice. Yeah, very interesting flavor.
The chocolate's very tasty, and then the strawberry cuts that richness a little bit.
Yeah.
It's slightly tart, but it's still a little bit sweet. I don't think you can eat it with just the chocolate and the Kanafe pistachio cream thing on its own. It's just like, it's so thick and creamy and rich that it just like coats your entire mouth. The ratio of strawberries to be a bit more.
Yeah.
To offset the richness a bit. Very, very nice. The flavors work really well together. I think, just in my opinion,
needs to be more strawberry.
the balance is a little bit off in this one in terms of the ratio of strawberry to chocolate to the pistachio cream Kanafe thing.
So it makes your mouth feel very dry.
It's worth 160 Rand.
To be honest, I don't think it should be worth 160 Rand.
I can understand if it's like the cost of the ingredients and that kind of stuff, but 160 Rand still feels a bit steep.
Yeah.
80 to 100 Rand
Yeah.
for something like this. Maybe 120 the max. Would I get this again? I don't know.
4 out of 5, but then I also feel like saying 3 out of 5.
Well, why do you want to say 3 out of 5?
I'd say because it's
The price brings it down.
yeah, the price brings it down a lot.
Yeah.
And then the ratio between the strawberry and the thing.
Yeah.
And then it's also like you can't have so much. Like, this portion seems a bit big.
I 100% agree with Troy. 3.5 out of 5.
Yeah, just give it.
I'd say it is good. If you want to try it once, I think you should.
Really enjoy it.
But I don't feel like it's worth 160 Rand.
Yeah, burger is still tops.
I mean, I would definitely have the burger again. And interesting enough, while we were there ordering, there were like a bunch of other things that were... Oh, there's a monkey on our patio. No, Brew, you can't come in here.
Bye.
We were speaking to one of the guys there, and he had a bunch of other things out, like
there was
crazy
like
croissants filled with like even like a Dubai version croissant. Lots of baked, interesting things. Might be worth just going and
just trying a couple stuff.
Trying out a couple of different things. I wouldn't be averse to going back when we're back in Durban and trying something else. Right, guys, that was us trying these viral foods from Durban.
Ratio Cafe.
We'll check you guys later.
Yeah.
Bye.